filming.
What's up, guys?
Okay. Well, Henry, hold it exactly right that. But
Okay.
there, hold it like that, and make.
Don't click any buttons.
Don't click that.
any buttons.
Stop, Henry. Move your. Oh, wait. Okay, now hold it.
Now
Watch.
hold it like that.
Stop, Henry.
Henry, can you see this whole back end of this truck?
Hello, guys. Today we're gonna be jumping off of a truck we're gonna be jumping off someone else's truck here.
Which is your dad.
Actually,
it's your dad boss. Your dad's boss is his boss and his boss.
We're gonna be jumping off someone's truck, and we have Henry right here who's filming, and this is Jax, and my name is Phoenix. We're gonna be doing the world's
Like craziest 8-year-old jump.
the world's
Prudential
craziest jumpers that are gonna jump from here to the grass.
Hey, Louie.
Not Louie. Do you guys doubt we're gonna be doing this?
Well,
No.
let's get right into it.
You didn't do it.
I know I don't want to jump. I don't really think I can make it that far.
Yeet! Tell me, you guys didn't tell me the one to press.
Hey, ready?
Did you press it? No. Can you see? Okay, that's going to be his parachute.
Hey guys, know what?
Here's this person.
Jax, do you want to run with us?
Yeah, and I'm going to film with me jumping down. Okay, guys. I'll film this
Want me
in
to
1 second. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Bye.
Jax, you want to
Bye.
Jax, you want to ask if you can come up? You want to ask if you can come up?
Wait, you need to. Wait. Yes, guys, I'll see you. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Come on, Nike or Under Armour. See you guys in the next one.
Hey,
Bye.